That's what I'm saying. Just if you want to scalp, you scalp based on 1 hour, 20 minutes together. So look, bears are in control since when? When this line just turned red, that means bears are in control since the ADA was 1.919, right? And you go back to 20 minutes. You take all the short entries right from here, 1.91, right? All the red waves you enter here, right? You make massive profit. And then you enter here with 20 minutes, you make massive profit. You ignore the green, you ignore the buy signals, you ignore the green waves, you only enter at red. And red waves are profitable and greens are not, right? Then if you have patience enough, look again on the red wave with the red X. There is no red X, then you don't enter right here. It's still in the green triangle. Green triangle is not profitable. Wait for the red X. Wait for the bears in control. When you see the red X, you see that everything is red. Bears are in control right here. You enter here, you make massive profit. Once again, massive profit. And here it is again, the red in control, bears are in control. You make massive profit again in 20 minutes. So 1 hour and 20 minutes together can make you insane amount of profit. So I'm saying never ever put your money into bank. You lost 1% of your money value each month. That means 12% each year, and you get 6% interest in bank for 12 months. So 6% money you are losing every month, and here you are making 50% profit. This drop is 10% and your leverage is 5%. So you are making 50% profit in less than 1 day, 15 hours. So which is more profitable, Armour trading or the bank deposit?